Happy morning, children. Do you want to listen to a story? Yes, our next lesson is a story and the name of the lesson is Balanced Diet. The story is about a child like you who is studying in class 2 whose name is Harsh. And Harsh is also studying in class 2. You are going to see something special about him and what decision he took after that. So, shall we read the lesson? Now, let us look into the lesson from the textbook. Page number 12. Do you want to read the story? Listen to the story? Then, you have to put your finger when I am reading and go through each word. Okay? Now, lesson 2, balanced diet. What is the name of the lesson? Balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? Balanced diet means a variety of food which is good for health. You like to have a good health, isn't it? So, what you should have? You should have a balanced diet. That means food with a variety of good nutrients. Okay, so in this story, it is about a small young boy whose name is Harsh. This young boy is also studying in class 2. Like you all, this child is also studying in class 2. What is the name of the child? Harsh. And Harsh is studying in a school like you. So, shall we look into the story? Harsh was a young boy studying in class 2B in City Public School. He was a bright and intelligent student. He took part in all the extracurricular activities in the school. All the teachers praised him. Harsh had one bad habit which made him miss school very often. Harsh loved to eat. He ate anything and everything, especially the food that was not good for him. Harsh carried a big tiffin box to school. It was full of junk food like noodles and chips. In the evening, Harsh's parents often took him to a fast food restaurant for a meal. He liked to eat burgers and pizzas. One day, Harsh fell ill. He was admitted to a hospital. It was due to his wrong eating habits. Harsh learned a lesson from his illness and stopped eating junk food. He started eating a balanced diet and enjoyed good health. So Harsh was a young boy like you all studying in class 2. And he was studying in which school? City Public School. Now let me ask you, what is the name of your school? The name of my school is Carmel CMI Public School. So like that, this young boy Harsh also used to go to City Public School and he was in class 2. He was a bright and intelligent student. Like you all, you are also very smart and intelligent. Like that, this young boy Harsh was also very intelligent. Intelligent means what? Good at learning, understanding and thinking. So he was very good in learning. Like you all, this boy also used to learn very well. He used to understand things very fast and he also used to think very well. So, if you're like that, what happens? The teachers will like you very much, isn't it? So, he took part in all the extracurricular activities in the school. Like, we also have extracurricular activities in the school, isn't it? We have CCA, isn't it? What are the CCA activities we have in our school? Art and craft, karate, piano, skating, isn't it? We have different varieties of CCA in our school. Like that, this child also used to attend in all the extracurricular activities of the school. Now, what is the meaning of extracurricular activities? Activities that are offered by a school but are not part of the course of study. What is the meaning of extracurricular? Activities are sports that are offered by a school but are not part of the course of study. All the teachers praised him. What do you mean by praised him? Told about him very good. Always kept saying good about the child. Isn't it? When you do good things, your teachers always praise you, isn't it? Good work, good job, well done, isn't it? Like that, all the teachers used to praise this young boy Harsh. Harsh had one bad habit which made him miss school very often. In our case, most of the students miss school because they are not well. They are not keeping well. Why? They don't eat food. In our school, children don't eat food and come to school in the morning and they fall sick. But in this lesson, this child, Harsh, had a bad habit. What was the bad habit? He did not eat healthy food. He used to eat all junk food and fall sick, which made him miss school very often. Very often means what? Many times. Often means many times. Harsh loved to eat. He ate anything and everything. Even though he is not hungry, if he sees food, he used to eat. Especially that food that was not good for him. Harsh carried a big tiffin box to school. You all bring lunch box to school, isn't it? Your mummy gives for lunch good healthy food. Why? Your principal is very particular about it, isn't it? He has told the teachers to check the food what you are bringing. Is it good healthy food that you are bringing? If junk food is brought, he has told us to tell you not to get it to school. Why? Because it makes you feel ill. It puts you ill. So, in this lesson also, Harsh carried a big tiffin box to school. It was full of junk food like noodles and chips. What he used to bring in that big box? Noodles and chips, which is junk food. Junk food means food which is not good for health. In the evenings, Harsh's parents often took him to a fast food restaurant for a meal. Now, for lunch he is bringing all this junk food. Now, after going back from school, his parents take him to a fast food restaurant. What do you get in a fast food restaurant? Food which is not good for health.